Hello and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. My name's Fiona and today I have an unboxing for you. Today's unboxing comes to us from Diamond Art Club. As we can tell by the blue stripe on the side here, it is a square. This was one of Diamond Art Club's newer releases. It was when they was doing a collaboration with Michaels. So this is Star Maker by Yumi Art. It is 51 by 76, or if you're working in inches, that's 20 inches by 30 inches. What drew me to this was how the tiger appears to be glowing in the water, so I'll be interested to see how they've charged this. So let's get into the kit itself. So we have our toolkit. This is a square toolkit. So in a square toolkit you get your blue drill pen, you get your squishy, you get 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, you get your clear drill tray, you get some baggies, and you also get a 4-placer and some tweezers as well. Then we have our step-by-step instructions. This will just give you a simple guide on how to diamond paint if you haven't done so before, or if you're planning on giving this kit as a gift to someone. Then you have the small sticker that comes in each kit. You can do a couple of things with this. You can do as they suggest on the label and use it in your logbook if you have one. I personally don't have a log, so what I do with mine is, because I don't have a lot of storage space for my diamond paintings, I tend to stack mine up like this, so that way. So I will stick mine onto the end like this so that I can easily identify the painting when I want it. Then we have our legend. With Diamond Art Club, they put this print theirs onto sticker paper. So this will give you the name of the painting, which is Star Maker, the artist Yumi Art. It gives the option to put in a start date and end date. Then gives you a larger copy of the image that you're about to diamond paint, the diamond shape, the size of the painting and its SKU number. So you have the list of colours that you have in your diamond painting, which this diamond painting has 33 colours. It also has in 2 ABs. You can tell if it's an AB with Diamond Art Club if it's the DMC number's under 150. They've recently done it so all of these are individually perforated, so that way you can just peel like so and then attach them to your storage containers. Let's get into the canvas itself. So here is the canvas. The rendering on this looks to be amazing to me. I feel that they've made this tiger really glow, even more so than it appears in the original image. So let's just give you a little look at this, get you into the canvas itself, and we can have a look at the drill field. Actually, before we do this, it is worth mentioning that you get your legend on your top left and then again on your bottom right down here. I just think this is beautiful. I'm looking forward to this one. So let's get you into the drill field. So I'm thinking of getting some crystal ABs for the tiger's eyes. But as you can see, the symbols are nice and clear. So with Diamond Art Club's kits, a light pad is optional. So that's a choice. It's up to you. If your eyesight isn't particularly great, then you may choose to use one, but it's not necessarily needed with Diamond Art Club's canvases. So there we go. Sorry if I'm going too quickly. So let's get into the drills. So it'll give you the name of the painting and then that's the SKU number on top. So let's get into them. So let's start with this small strip. So we have, let's get them down there. So we have 815, 131, which is our first AB, which is represented by 1. So you will be getting a few of these into the tiger's eyes. Then we have 743. We have 814, we have 647, a nice mustard, £7.82. We have 33.46. So then we have 33.25. My favourite purple shade, £5.50. Then we have 6.48. £9.05. 33.71. 38.61. 7.80. 38.60. 9.38. 9.04. So then we have 30.24. Then we have this nice mint green, so that's £7.75. Then we've got 37.55. So yep, we're starting off with our 310. We have two. Oh, I was expecting more. So far it seems that we've just got the 2 bags of 310. Then we have 8.23. That's the second bag. We've got 3, 4, and 5. Well, that was a short strip. Then on to the next. Yeah, I thought there would be more 310. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 here, and there was 2 on the other one. So we've got 7 bags of 310. We have 9.39. 3 bags of 9.39. Then we have 7.96, 8.20. We've got 2 bags of 8.20. Then this is the second AB of the kit, which is 141. There we go. We have 3.22. Then we have 3.34. 7.97. 2 bags of 7.97. Then we have 7.79, so it's like your medium brown shade. 8.95. 8.90. Then finally we have 7.12, which is your creamy colour. So that is all of the drills. So this has been Yumi Art's Star Maker. I've enjoyed looking at this canvas with you. I hope you've enjoyed looking at it as well. With that said, if you have enjoyed today's video, then please do consider giving this video a like. If you would like to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. If you are subscribed or you're about to, make sure you turn on your notifications bell. That way you'll get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you next time. So bye, see you next time.